Mysteries!
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of More on Math, Minecraft Mysteries. My name is Mr. Moore and I'll be your guide. In our last episode, we discovered that the coordinates of where I'm standing are 206 and 431 thousandths. And we figured out that 206.431 can be said in word form correctly using math speak by calling it 206 and 431 thousandths. And we also discovered how to write it in expanded form, which shows the values of each digit. For example, that 3 is worth 3 hundredths. Anyway, in this episode, I'm going to continue with the decimal theme because I've got a coordinate here, but I also have a coordinate out here by my soon-to-be planted garden. If I jump in this water right here and back up just a smidge, and let's try again. And there we go. You'll see that on the 7th line, it'll say my XYZ coordinate, which I have lined up right with the sign there. And the third number in my XYZ coordinates, I assume it's my Z coordinate, says 183.484. We now know, to say this correctly in word form, would be 183 and 484 thousandths. But anyway, my question is, what is the difference between the coordinate inside my house, 206 and 431 thousandths, and this coordinate, 183 and 484 thousandths? That is today's mystery. In fact, that is today's Minecraft mystery. And whenever we have a mystery, we go quick to the math cave. The math cave! Ah, splash! Here is today's Minecraft mystery. What is the difference between 206 and 431 thousandths and 183 and 484 thousandths? Pause the video, solve the problem, and come on back when you think you have a solution. Welcome back. What is the difference between 206 and 431 thousandths and 183 and 484 thousandths? That sounds tough. And when math gets tough, we go to the magical whiteboard. Push to activate. Pow! Woo! So let's make a list of what we know. The coordinates inside the front door of my house are 206 and 431 thousandths. The coordinates at my garden are 183 and 484 thousandths. And what we want to know is the difference. And whenever we want to know the difference between two numbers, we are doing subtraction. So our numerical expression will be 206 and 431 thousandths minus 183 and 484 thousandths. And here's a little picture of what's going on. I'm finding the distance between two spots, the difference between two spots. So before I do the subtraction, let me do a quick estimate. 206 and 431 thousandths is about 206, and 183 and 484 thousandths is about 183. And when I do this easier subtraction, I see that 6 minus 3 is 3, and 20 minus 18 is 2. So I know that my real answer will be close to 23. Today I'm going to be using the standard algorithm of subtraction with decimals. So I'm going to set up my numbers by stacking them one on top of the other and lining everything up by place value. So now that I've got myself set up, I can subtract just like I would with whole numbers because I have all my place values lined up. In fact, by lining up this decimal point, it helps me know where everything else lines up. And in fact, I'll know where my decimal point goes when I'm done. So let's subtract. 1 thousandth minus 4 thousandths. I can't do that, so I need some more thousandths. So I'm going to borrow from the hundredths. I'm going to leave 2 hundredths behind. The 100th I'm borrowing is worth 10 thousandths. I already have 1 thousandth, so that means I now have 11 thousandths. 11 thousandths minus 4 thousandths is 7 thousandths. 200ths minus 800ths. I can't do it, so I need more hundredths. So I'm going to borrow from the tenths, leaving 3/10ths behind, bringing 1/10 over. That 1/10 is worth 10 hundredths. I already have 2 hundredths, so I now have 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths minus 8 hundredths is 4 hundredths. 3/10ths minus 4/10ths. I can't do it. I need more tenths. So I'm going to borrow from the wholes, leaving 5 wholes behind, bringing 1 whole over to help out. 1 whole is worth 10 tenths. I already have 3 tenths, so now I have 13 tenths. 13 tenths minus 4 tenths is 9 tenths. 5 wholes minus 3 wholes is 2 wholes. And looking at the problem this way, 20 tens minus 18 tens is 2 tens. If you don't like it to do it that way, think of it this way. Borrow from the hundreds, leave 100 behind, bring 10 tens over to help, and subtracting you still get 2 tens. So my answer is 22 and 947 thousandths. Is that reasonable? Yes, it is, because it's close to my estimate of 23. And so we have a solution. And that solution is 22 and 947 thousandths. Mystery, bam, solved. Thank you for joining me on this episode of More on Math Minecraft Mysteries. Leave a comment or a question below and feel free to subscribe. Join me next time for another marvelous math mystery in the world of Minecraft. And remember, if you're not confused, you're not learning. Bye-bye.
Math is fun. Math is fun. Math is fun.